What if one decision could completely change the way you think? Not forever. Just for the next 21 days. Delete social media. No Instagram, no TikTok, no endless scrolling. Just 21 days. Because habits aren't broken in a single moment. They're replaced. One day at a time. The first few days will feel strange. Without thinking, you'll reach for your phone, unlock it, then realize there's nothing left to scroll. Your brain will crave stimulation. Not because something is wrong with you, because you've trained it to expect constant rewards. Every notification, every short video, every endless feed, they become part of your daily routine. But here's the good news. The brain adapts. The same way you've trained yourself to check your phone, you can train yourself not to. Each day becomes a little easier. By the second week, something unexpected begins to happen. Your attention starts returning. You finish books. You enjoy conversations. You think more clearly. Silence no longer feels uncomfortable. You begin noticing things you haven't noticed in years. The world becomes interesting again. By the third week, the urge to constantly check your phone becomes weaker. Not because social media disappeared, because it stopped controlling you. And in its place, a new habit begins to form. Reading instead of scrolling. Walking instead of refreshing. Creating instead of consuming. Most people spend years giving their attention away. Imagine what happens when you keep it for yourself. For just 21 days. The challenge isn't deleting an app. The challenge is proving that you are stronger than your impulses. 21 days. One decision. A completely different relationship with your attention. Delete the apps. Reclaim your focus.